Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce to you the Game Tickets app. This app is made to reward behavior, okay? So if you have a student that is working really hard and is doing good, so you just give him tickets and then he can go to the game ticket store and actually change those tickets that you give him for actual stuff. So let me show you how it looks. When the student first signs in, so he will be prompted to type his name, with a picture, say what grade they are, and select his teachers or their teacher for each of the periods, okay? And then they're ready to go. Once they're there, notice that this student has already 3 tickets, so he can go to the game store and buy whatever he wants to buy. Let's say he wants to buy a mechanical pencil. So he purchased it. So he doesn't have enough credit for that one, so he wouldn't be able to buy that one, but he will be able to buy this one. All right. So once he has it on his inventory, he can go to the actual store and pick it up and tell the teacher that is in charge of the store that he picks it up. Click here, go back, and it's not there anymore. Okay, that's the student's perspective. Let me show you how it looks from the teacher's perspective. All right, so once the teacher has signed in, he or she will be able to see all their students by periods, and he can give game tickets to getting a students. Say how many tickets. I'm gonna give them just 1 ticket or 2 tickets. How many tickets you want to give them? Submit, and those tickets are already added to this student. If you have a student that is not in any of your classes, but you think they deserve some game tickets, you just look for them on all students and give them also 1 or 2 tickets, and they will be able to actually change those tickets in the game store. You also have access to the game store. All right. So you can see the game's transactions. So in case you need to check that a student has bought something if they claim they haven't. And the administrator, let me show you how this looks if this teacher were an administrator. All right, if this teacher is part of the app administrator, so he will be able to say, no, this person is not a student, this person is a teacher, and he can also manage the game ticket store. He can add more items. You have to write the name of the item, the description, the picture, the price, and send it to the game store. He can also see all the teachers. He said, yes, these people are teachers, in case somebody made a mistake and said, no, well, yes, you're a teacher. If you need some teacher to be a app administrator, you just click there. This person is in charge of the game store. All right. So Mr. Pear is administrator, is in charge of the store, and it is a teacher. So that's why he can see all this here, the store transactions, all the teachers, and the administration of the store. So hope you like it. I hope it's useful. And if you have any doubts, just ask me. Thank you.